Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your SEAT Ateca's infotainment system? These are common issues often stemming from software glitches or hardware faults. A black screen typically indicates a software freeze or CPU problem, while no audio can point to amplifier failures or wiring issues. Start with a simple soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Be aware this might erase settings. Also, check the fuses, especially in the engine bay, for any signs of damage or corrosion. For software corruption, especially in older models without over-the-air updates, a dealer visit might be necessary for a factory reset using diagnostic tools. Newer, 2021 plus, Atecas often receive OTA updates that address these issues, so ensure your software is up to date via the MySeat app or through your dealer. If basic resets don't resolve the issue, the problem might be more complex. Experts recommend scanning for error codes using tools like VCDS, the VAGCOM diagnostic system. Ensure the vehicle is properly grounded to prevent electrical surges. Avoid using aftermarket accessories that could overload the system. SEAT is increasingly integrating AI-driven diagnostics in their app, offering predictive maintenance alerts. For persistent issues, a dealer visit is crucial for a thorough diagnostic and potential module replacement or software reflash. Over-the-air updates are becoming more frequent, with SEAT aiming for monthly patches to fix software bugs. The future trend points towards autonomous infotainment recovery via cloud backups, potentially eliminating black screens altogether. Electric Ateca models often have fewer issues due to redesigned power management. Regularly update your system, avoid extreme temperatures, and consider a professional scan if problems persist. Check forums for model-specific advice.